Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to the show.
We have to make a name for it. We already did the show. Alright, we do this. Party people. Oh, okay. Today,
Welcome
this is the show where we
to the
make all your
nature
dreams
show.
come true.
It's called the nature
Okay.
show. Can I get?
Nature show.
Word. Hey,
Hey everyone. On this segment
on this segment of the nature show, we are going to explore. Wait for it. Wait for it. Nature and bugs
Bet you didn't see
and
that coming.
animals and
Bet you didn't
leaves.
see that coming.
Leaves.
Bet you
Oh.
didn't see that coming. Bet you didn't see that coming.
My cameraman,
Flavio.
Flavio Pachiklik Ugliness, is gonna go outside and be the camera person while we both check out the.
No, I don't want to be the camera person.
Well,
I want to be in the video.
Yeah, alright, bye. Finger in the camera.
Beautiful day out.
Well, hello.
Alrighty.
Oh, hello. Good seeing you.
We're here with Jim Buck-2 here, out in nature looking for sap.
I'm out here with the nice sweet smells of an onion farm and the feces of other animals.
Oh, let me get it out all around shot. Stop moving. Stop moving.
Please stop being.
Stop moving.
Stop it.
Baby, come here.
We're
My name is Jim
a
Buck-2.
stop videotaping.
So, we're out here in nature.
Not the voice.
Alright.
Nature.
Hi, we're out here in nature. We are looking at the
Forticius.
and
I think it's Forticius.
these little baby things are 100% edible.
I need it, please. Please explain the mouthfeel.
You just can't eat the stems.
What is a stem? Explain.
This little thing, this little jiffy right
Need
there.
another one, please.
Join me pedal by pedal, or just all together.
Just eat it. Ooh.
There's something on my lip.
Please explain the mouthfeel.
Some. Oh, it's a recording.
Welcome back!
Nature show. The nature show. Nature.
Oh god, oh, my stomach, you know my stomach. Oh, we have a wild onion farmer.
You want to be in our video?
Please explain your crops this year. How are they turning out?
That's gone.
Okay, I think it's glitched.
But
oh, hey there. Just chilling out in this wild chrysanthemum tree.
chrysanthemum?
Yeah,
What consists of a chrysanthemum?
a chrysanthemum consists of a simple pink flower.
Or a magnolia.
It's a chrysanthemum.
Chrysanthemum?
I will show you one.
Are they edible? Oh, are they edible?
Only the very tip.
So you eat it.
Tastes like.
Oh,
Tastes like.
how's the mouth feel?
Tastes like a chicken nugget
No,
combined with mustard.
that's good, I guess.
Yeah, so highly suggest eating chrysanthemums. And that's a wrap for this segment.
Oh, I didn't see it there. So we're out here in nature, and I just saw a little flag go by.
A flug? What's a flug?
A flag. A flag go by.
Do you think it looks... That's like modeling in nature. Is that what this segment is called? Oh. Oh, dang. Angles. Angles!
What?
I said use an accent, you dumb hoe.
We're in nature.
The next segment on the nature show will be the dancing segment. Alright, see ya.
Hello, everyone.
I like to call this the upside down tree.
Wait, let's move it closer.
That really didn't help at all. Okay, there we go. Ready? Upside down tree.
I like to call this a living centipede. Oh, wait.
Well, the centipede is really lifting. Okay.
Hello, everybody. We are going to do the dead centipede, which is going like this.
Okay. Alright. Okay, alright, okay. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Hey, we're back!
We were just looking for, the little animals that'll be on our next segment of the nature show.
Wildlife second.
The nature show. The nature show. Ho, 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 ho.
Alright, peace out, home doggy dog.
And this is my child, Richard. For short, we call him Ricky. He's my little baby. He smells like mildew. But mildew can be good sometimes. Oh, Layla loves me. Hey, I love you. Hey, co-partner of the animal segment of the nature show.
Hey,
How you doing? We would bring them closer, but they're not friends right now, so.
We have jazz balls right here.
And this is Richie Rich of the 7 Figure 9s. And that's Jazz Balls. So, so we're going to say a nice hello, ruff, a nice goodbye, meow meow. Peace out, homes. See you in the next segment.
Yeah.
Meh.
You really see me
What is she doing? Hey, Jessie, what you doing, honey?
Alright, say bye, Jazzy.
And this is the outside fun center of our segment of our nature show. And
We love to swing all the time in the sun.
singing is my favorite pastime after
swing.
reading books and watching
Nature
the Nature
videos.
Channel, also known as National Geographic Tundra version.
Oh, I love that tundra one.
It's my favorite.
See all the polar bears?
Would you like to double date?
No.
We do it all the time.
Do you guys know?
Incest is our motto and
Ew.
nature is
Oh.
our grotto.
Oh, gosh.
Alright, we have a wild
So
boar.
this video is going to be a little long.
Considering you don't want to double date with me. Alright. Oh, hello. What the hell? I haven't swung in since yesterday. And I'm a little. Oh.
For this segment, we're...
Many of you don't know, we have it also, in addition to the added fun center, is our upward trampoline.
That's going to be next, okay? I'm seeing.
You get it.
Oh. Fun center, go.
Would you like to?
I would like to go.
Okay.
Here we go. You gotta get a running start.
Oh, come on. Oh, alright. Jazzy, would you like to do it? More get Jazzy and throw her at it.
No!
Where? I'm not kidding. Get her to throw it.
Alright, come on, Jazz Balls. Come on, Jazz.
Like, not too hard, just a little bit.
I'm not gonna throw her in the air.
Oh, okay.
Alright, Jazz's turn.
Just not too much, not too hard. Oh, cute. Oh, she's having fun. Nice. Okay. Next segment on the nature show, we will be showing you our buy home ocean. Water fun area. This is called the water fun area.
It's not fun area, it's fun area.
I said the water fun area. That's one word.
Jazz balls, you can't come in here, okay?
Bye, Jazz balls. Even though an elephant can go in the cover of the fun area of water. In this water fun area, I will be showing you how to go down a water fun area slide with my water fun area ball. How should I go down?
You should take on the slide as a oh no, there it goes.
Alright, I will go down it like this. Wish me luck.
Oh God! There's the little girl in action. There she goes.
Okay, not too close, honey. Not too close. I'm ugly up close.
You're ugly on the angle.
Alright, well I would go down into the water, but the water is closed right now. Oh God. 2 of the water fun area slide. Oh, hello. Don't be a baby, just get down there. Ooh, kill him. Booty! Look at the booty on that one.
You like that? Don't know where that came from.
Where? Where is okay. And on our next segment of the nature show, we will be giving you a surprise.
We're gonna look in the garden.
Oh, shut up. Really?
God, you can delete it.
Say it again. Oh, never mind, not again. But on our next segment of the nature show, we will be giving you
A surprise.
a surprise segment. So have some fun. Ooh, kill 'em. And on our surprise segment of the nature show, we will be going on dun 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 a bike. Yay.
Get out of ride. This is too flat tires.
But you're working. You got it.
Here we go. I can only do it down the hill. But brace yourself.
Okay. I already had braces, but okay. How you doing over there? Good, buddy? Slow and steady wins the race. It's okay. Slow and steady wins the race. Alright. Alright, well, see you in the next segment.
Hey, you ever think about plants?
Ever think about... Hey, where'd this leaf come from?
Oh, I don't know. Just from like the earth.
Yeah, but where did that earth come from? See, the world might never know, but come on to our channel once in a while and maybe you'll find out.
This is how we end every segment.
Maybe you'll just see some really cool ass people doing a really cool ass segment with my cool ass.
So every day, just think, how did we get on this earth?
How?
If it wasn't for one little miracle, you wouldn't be here.
And one little tiny Okay, anyway.
Alright, love you all.
Where did I get this stick?
Alright.
Was it a finger that is dead? Did it actually come off a tree? Or his... Or where did that little ant under my sofa come from? I just know that pollen is real, and I have allergies.
And when I was walking up to McDonald's, I heard my woof woof go, "Yo, my dog walked up the stairs." And then I looked down, and I'm like, "Yo, my gibbets are all gone." And I